Hello guys, this is Agro Forex trader. Yeah, I'm a programmer and I'm a forex trader as well. And I use computer algorithm to help me in my forex trading decision. Right. I use computer algorithms to make profitable decisions in the forex market. So this right here you see is my website, and I've really programmed it in such a way that it will help forex traders to know what is happening in the market, where the money is going, so that we join and make money with ease, right? So to use this, or in generally to use currency strength meter to make profitable trades, there are things you should note that just by this indication, when there's any indication, you should not just go into the market and place a trade. There are some rules you should follow, right? There are some helpful rules you should follow. Yeah, so the trade will be profitable. So let's go into some of the rules. Right. So to trade it profitably, here are the rules. When you have a signal from this website or any other currency strength indicator website, and you have the signal, right? Let's say New Zealand, right? New Zealand is stronger than JPY, right? When you have that signal, don't just place a trade. Follow these rules. You go to the chart, New Zealand JPY, right? You go to the chart. Okay. You go to the chart, then you confirm if you should place a trade or not, right? So New Zealand is stronger than JPY. Over here, it will not be a profitable trade because price is the New Zealand is overbought and price is at a resistance, and it is at a tendency that it will reverse. So it's not a profitable signal. So only look for signal, or by following these rules. In order to enter a trade, make sure the signal is being confirmed by the following rules. Price, it should obey key levels. The signal should obey these key levels, such as price reversal from support, right? Then you go into a buy trade. Then price reversal from resistance, you could go in a sell trade. And if there's a price reversal from trend lines, and also price breaks through a trend line, then it's a confirmation. It could be a confirmation for the currency strength indication, right? So right now we are going to go into the market. We are going to go into the market to look at certain examples. So this is a trade I took in the morning. So let me give a screenshot of how it went. Let me give a screenshot. I took some screenshots. So here is where I closed the trade. I opened the trade around when it was around this time, right? You see here I placed the trade. So there are outlooks that in order to place a trade, I made sure the trade I made sure the signal I had. Okay, let's confirm the signal. So let's confirm the signal. Let me check the time. 12 o'clock. So it was around 12 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock GMT plus 2. So for this currency trend meter, it has historical data, so you can check. Can go back 12 o'clock. Can go back 12 o'clock. Then we check the strength of Euro New Zealand, right? Euro New Zealand. Sorry, it was 4 hour. It was on 4 hour time frame, right? It was on 4 hour time frame. So I placed the trade around this time, right? Let me check the screenshot. So I placed the trade around that time. Okay, around that time. Okay, let me get the specific time. I think the specific time is over here. 7:52. 7:52 plus GMT plus 2 will be almost 8 plus 2, 10, right? So let me check from the historical data, which is 10. So 10. So that is it. I opened the trade exactly around this time, right? And New Zealand was 100% strong. Euro was only 13% strong. So immediately we see this. You see this signal. We have to do what? You have to go in there and check. And you have to go in on the chart and check if it obeys the key levels in the forex market, such as support, resistance, or trend line. Right, here's a trend line. It has to obey at least in one of them, or if it is many. So trend line, price reversal, trend line, here's resistance, right? And I targeted this support as profit taking, right? So I entered around here, which New Zealand was much stronger than Euro, right? So guys, that's how profitable you can trade currency strength signals, right? So for recap, you have to look for the strength of currencies. You have to go in for currency which is much stronger than the other, which New Zealand is much stronger than Euro. Then you have to come to the chart, then confirm it if the reversal is coming from a key zone, which is a resistance over here, and it has some trend lines bouncing from some trend lines, then it's a good entry. And also you should note, in order not to go in for a late entry, such as entering over here, you should go in for an early entry in order for the trade, in order to make the market, or in order for the trade not to reverse against you right away, or in order for the trade to be really profitable. So you have to go in for an early entry around this over here, just as I did, right? Just as I did. And later on I closed and at the target, yeah, at the target support target down there. Yeah, so guys, this is how to trade currency stream indications profitably. So you can check out this website, right? currencystrengthzone.com, right? It give you currency trend indications in many time frames, right? Many time frames ago. It doesn't depend on candlesticks. It checks real price data. It calculates real price data with respect to time frame ago, like 1 hour ago, whatever. It doesn't depend on candlesticks, because candlesticks, if it is on 1 hour candlesticks, 1 hour candlestick, it will be only useful when it closes. But over here, we don't depend on calculating candlesticks closure or whatever. We calculate real time, 1 hour ago, 4 hour ago, or whatever. So you can go through the details over here, descriptions, in order to use it better. So guys, this is how to use consistent meter profitably. So you can check it out and check out from this website as well. consistentzone.com is free, and you explore it to your needs. Thank you. See you in another video.